Today we're going to learn how to write an equation in standard form and then identify the center and radius and graph it. So first thing we want to do is we want to group together the x's and y's and put all our numbers on the other side of the equal sign. We also want to leave a space so that we can complete the square. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x. We're going to leave a space and put that in parentheses. Plus y squared minus 2y, leave a space, and then to move 6 to the other side we have to subtract it, so we have equal to negative 6. Then we're going to complete the square. The formula for completing the square is b divided by 2 squared. So my b is the number in front of the variable without the square. Okay, so over here by the x, that's negative 6. So we're going to take negative 6 divided by 2, and that's going to give me negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. So I'm going to add 9. But what I do to one side of the equal sign, I must do to the other side. So I'm going to add 9 over here as well. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the y. So my b is going to be negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So then we're going to rewrite this and refactor this, because this is now a perfect square trinomial. So then we have what multiplies to be 9 and adds to be 6. Well, that's 3 and 3. It will always be the same number. Okay, and what are the signs of 3 and 3 to give me negative 6? Well, that's a negative. Plus y. What multiplies to be 1 and adds to be 2? That's 1 and 1. Okay, and then what gives me a negative 2 is they're both negative. Equals negative 6 plus 9 is going to give me 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So then my center, remember we changed the signs, so that's going to be positive 3, positive 1, and my radius is going to be 2. So then we're going to come over to our graph. We're going to go to 3, positive 1, put a point. And then we're going to go 2 in each direction. So I'm going to go 2 to the right, 2 up, 2 to the left, and 2 down. I'm going to make a circle going all the way around. And there's my circle.